up in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. So me and hubby are headed to, you drop something? Oh. I headed to get groceries. So it is Sunday. Yeah, Sunday morning. Had to go get some groceries. You have anything to tell the people this morning?
We need to find some breakfast. Find some breakfast this morning.
So after groceries, I don't know, I feel like we're like those people that you see on social media, like, oh, after you go grocery shopping, like, all right, we need to stop and get something to eat. Yeah, that's us. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Oh, I thought you said you want to go to Dunkin's. Gonna be the breakfast.
Think about it. I'm thinking about it.
That's a snack. That's not really breakfast. But I don't know why it just got darker, but oh well. But yeah, so we're headed to go get our groceries for the week, broken nail and all. So yeah, we'll see y'all when we get into the store, or maybe not, because somebody may be rushing me. Why are you on the steering wheel like that?
Tie my shoe. Come on, let's go. We got time to be piddly patting in this store. We got food to eat.
Okay.
Stomach's rumbling. Stomach be rumbling.
Oh Lord! Everybody seemed like they was coming so close. Like they was turning wide. They was turning wide.
It was turning super wide.
Golly. But anyway, y'all, we'll see y'all in the store. Like maybe.
With the thoughts in your mind, they're everywhere, and it's hard for me to bear, 'cause I get so lost, feel just like a boomerang, 'cause you change your plans every day, and you don't seem to care what I think or how it affects me. Since I laid my eyes on you, my baby, I just wanna make your dreams come true, my lady. If you low, I'll lift you up. Just let me know when it gets tough. Do you feel the way I do, my baby? Do you see me like I see you, my lady? I love you, but I don't need you. I only want true love, true love.
You see where she dropped this waffle off at?
Yeah, some, baby.
Wow.
Yeah, some.
Wow, y'all.
'Cause you are finishing my sentences when I don't know what I'm about to say. But that's what I like. We're just like yin and yang. But sometimes I wish you would hear me out and listen to what's on my mind. Yeah, yeah. Since I laid my eyes on you, my baby, I just wanna make your dreams come true, my lady. If you're low, I'll lift you up. Just let me know when it gets tough. Do you feel the way I do, my baby? Do you see me like I see you, my lady? I love you, but I don't need you. I only want true love, true love.
Y'all, I convinced somebody to come to Home Depot and look for a light that we want to change out in, what do you call that, babe?
The entrance.
The entrance way.
The house, the front.
Yeah, that's the one right there we have in our hallway. I don't think it turns blue, does it? No, I think ours just turns bright white.
Oh, it turned blue?
Yeah, I think it turned blue. Something was blue when I looked up there, and I thought it was that light. Yeah, because it's the rainbow. See? Ours don't do that. If it does, we ain't never use that. Anyway. Oh, okay. I seen a light, y'all, when we were at Lowe's, but now I don't see a light. Here, you see one you like? Not really. Okay, so the one we seen was at Home Depot, like I said. I don't see another one that I really want. That'll look nice at the entryway. Oh, I'm looking, but I don't know. Let's see what they have around the corner, though. Exactly. Cutting up in these folks' store. Which cellophane you like? Do you like this one or that one? So I had picked out a light, y'all, just to catch y'all up, but somebody didn't like the two choices that I liked. He didn't really like them. So now we're over here looking at ceiling fans for the bedroom. So do you like this one with the bulbs like this, or do you want like a dome like that? You like the dome or that? Oh, Netflix, no. Which one? I'm kind of favoring this one here. The Shining. Golly, something's so loud. I'm kind of favoring this one because I want the room to be bright. Bright. Because it's not as bright right now.
Cool.
But that fan in there has been there for a long time. So the Shining 52-inch. Is that it? Hunter Express.
Yeah, that's good.
That is not new, I would like to say, because it's been here every time we came to Home Depot. So that's it. Hey y'all, so it is much later in the evening. It is 7, I think it's at 7:18, and we are back home. We are finally out of them streets, y'all, them streets. So I wasn't doing too much, just editing the vlog. So I finished editing today's part of the vlog, but I don't know if you watched the last vlog. I went to Ulta, but I don't think I ever showed you guys what I got from Ulta. So anyway, so I just picked up this NYX tinted brow mascara. So I really like it. So when I do like my pencil, sometimes I feel like I have such a lighter pencil. I just used, I use this to just darken up my eyebrows a little bit. Makes it cool, whatever. And then I picked up this ColourPop Pretty Fresh. It is in the color 220C deep here. I like to use this when I'm kind of like contouring my face. But since I've been wearing makeup like every single day for the past like 7 weeks, I've ran out. Like, it's so crazy. I ran out of primer, which I bought some from Target. Ran out of primer, ran out of this, and I ran out of my brow pencil. So I had some Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Duo, so I've been using that because somehow I had 2 of those in my drawer, so I didn't go buy another one. I've just been using that one, but I ran out of brow pencil. It's crazy. And mascara and setting spray. Y'all, crazy. I haven't ran out of like makeup in so long. But I wanted to show you guys the office. It's not completely finished, but if you watch the vlogs, like y'all, when I started this office a long time ago, I don't think I've ever showed you guys how it came to. I believe we were working on the office and then something happened. Oh me, I decided to go ghost because of work that I never showed you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Hubby's in there at work, so we're gonna let him be. So this is kind of how it's turning out. So I have the 2 monitors, the work phone. I bought this little stand right here from Amazon. If it'll focus. Okay. But anywho, I got this little stand from Amazon. So back here I usually have my laptop, and then here I have my iPad, which I need another color. That is makeup, because I'll be watching YouTube videos while I'm doing my makeup, and then I just keep my mouse right here. But yeah, this is the computer desk and all that other jazz. Then currently I just have my cabinet here, which is my notebook, in my drawers. Nothing special. I think I showed you guys this stuff, just my pens and stuff. Yeah, and all that other jazz. Nothing special. Here I just need to clean off. I have my little stand for some notebooks, my planner, the router, my little camera, and then these are all notes I need to be writing in this notebook. Here, you scare me. We end up putting these shelves up. I think I showed you guys that I spray painted them. Remember, these used to be black, now they are white, so I spray painted them white. I put my award up, the small little flower. That's the training class picture. We took a picture. So funny. So our training class, I guess we all bonded. We took a picture together, so I have that. I haven't put it in a frame because I just got it maybe last week, so I haven't put it in a frame yet. Up here is just one of my it's not a diploma, but certificates or whatever. Over here, that's just like my work, personal stuff and stuff won't get done right here. So the rest of the wall is empty. And then I just threw my printer and my Dymo down here because I don't know what to do with it quite yet, because I do not use my printer, but I use it occasionally. My Dymo label, I only use it when I'm doing like a POSHMARK order. So it's just kind of chilling right here until I find a home for it. And then my tripod stand for my camera. So that's that. But that is the office and how it is turning out. And then sit right at the window. And then when I'm taking Zoom calls, this is what they'll see behind me. They'll just see my degrees and pictures and all that jazz. So yeah, and there's my little plant. She's still making it. She has a little dead leaf in here though. Okay, she's doing better. Yeah, she was getting too much sun at first, but now look like she needs some water though. No, wait, no, it's a little, no, she's good. But anyway, so this is what they'll see behind. And so yeah, that's the office. So that is the up-to-date of the office. Until I still gotta do like some cord control under their desk because it's a lot of cords, but I haven't figured that out yet, so I'll leave that project for another day. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's short, sweet, and to the point, should I say, but we're gonna go ahead and get ready for the work week. So go ahead and finish this video, edit it so I can get it up to you guys on Friday. So yeah, hopefully I can get you guys 3 videos out this week. So finger crossed. So if you made it this far to the end of the video, if I get it out, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you comment, like, because all those things are free and it totally helps me. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing.